I don't want to catch any fish today because
Guys, you sure are doing the good deeds today. Do you want to let him go, Andy, by yourself? Take him in the hands
1
and
point for everybody right now.
let him release?
Oh, he's got to put his hand in the mouth like this,
Aye.
three sides. You ready?
Yeah.
Whoa, there he goes.
Whew. He's already on the back.
Well, at least we caught 2 fish.
Grandpa, what's mine doing?
Oh my gosh.
Nothing. Is that something? I think that's something. Except the line.
Maybe vibration.
Well, maybe because the line's bending pretty bad. Just pull at it a little bit. Does it feel like there's something on yet?
How close is she on the bottom, John?
It looks like there's something on it, Kyle. It feels like it. It
Yeah.
feels like there's something.
John,
Andy, because the boat's just drifting.
I feel something.
No,
hold it
I
higher.
don't know. Let me do this one first.